Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add email on Facebook profile. Open Facebook. There you will go to the tab About, then open the option Details About You. After that, under Contact Info, click on the pencil icon. Now click on the line Add Delete Emails. Then click on Add New Contact and select Add Email. You are going to enter the desired email address. When you do so, select the associated Facebook account. Click Next and you will need to enter the code received in the email. Click Next and you will have registered this email in the Facebook account. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.